In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check the Plesk version on your server. Whether you're administering a web server or ensuring that your site's backend tools are up to date, knowing which version of Plesk you're running is crucial. It helps in troubleshooting, ensuring compatibility with extensions, and maintaining security with the latest updates. So, let's get started. First things first, you'll need to log into your Plesk control panel. You'll want to make sure you have the necessary access permissions to view and manage updates and upgrades. Once you're logged in, your journey to finding the current version you're running is relatively straightforward. It starts in the main navigation menu of the Plesk interface. Look for an option labeled Tools and Settings. It's usually located on the left-hand side of the dashboard, so keep an eye on that section. This is the hub for many administrative tasks in Plesk, and checking your version is no different. When you select Tools and Settings, you'll be taken to a comprehensive overview of different options related to your server's management. This includes settings ranging from email and databases to more technical server management options. Scrolling down a bit or looking through the main categories in this area, you will find something that says Updates and Upgrades. This is your next destination. Clicking on this option opens a new window where all the information related to Plesk updates is presented. It's not just the Plesk version you can find here, but also potential updates that may be available for your setup. Staying on top of these updates can be critical not just for security, but also for harnessing new features and improvements that come with them. Now, let's focus on the version information. Right at the top of the Updates and Upgrades page, you'll see your current Plesk version and the build information. This might look something like a version number alongside a build ID and provides a comprehensive snapshot of what is currently installed on your server. This is everything you need if you are ensuring your server is up to date or if you're troubleshooting with support teams. Even if you aren't a super user or an IT expert, it's helpful to remember that knowing the specifics of your server's backbone can only empower you as you manage your system. And there you have it. Checking your Plesk version isn't just about seeing a number. It's a proactive step in maintaining a healthy, efficient, and secure web server environment. If you notice your version is out of date, you might want to schedule regular check-ins to ensure you're maximizing your use of the Plesk environment. And that wraps up today's guide. Make sure you subscribe for more tips and tutorials, and as always, happy server managing.